Well, it's a Saturday morning. I'm already back at Uncle Ricky's at the launch. Got everything picked up. Coming up, going to Randy's Houseboat for a few days. Got a nice cold front coming through. Gonna do some deer hunting, some riding around. We thought about doing some duck hunting. That didn't happen, but it was a good time. We were successful. Hopefully Kingston, who's out there right now, hopefully he gets something this week, and that would be really cool for him, get his first deer. So yeah, stick around and gonna have a good time. Well, there it is. Home for the next few days. Well, how was that?
Not bad. As long as you go first. Missing like one or two teeth.
Well, you were missing a few teeth before.
God, dude, the water went down a lot. See that little money tree on the bank by itself, kind of center?
Yeah.
The water was up to there.
Well, we made it. We got a little bit of work to do, some hunting to do, hanging out and catching up.
Hopefully some killing.
So what we got going on here?
Just gotta wanna suck the oil out the clutch. Change it.
This is the one and only famous.
Help squeak. Help squeak likes to be flooded, I guess. Just help. That's what happens when the water comes up 4 foot. No way. Maybe not, dude.
Send it.
The hell with that? I ain't got $2,500. I think these things are legit. This is my dad's, but I want to get one.
So this is all family camps around here?
Yes, sir. You can say family. This is my Uncle Jeff's little camp. And then everybody else around is pretty much just friends of the family, like family. We all look out for each other.
Can't get over how beautiful it is out here.
Oh man, I love it. Wait till like the end of December. There's mud flats everywhere. Everything's dead.
Well, I think we're gonna get this up and going, and then
Check the deer stand.
check a couple of deer stands. We're gonna make some hunts starting tomorrow morning. Got our first big cold front, I'd say, coming through.
Yeah.
We had a couple of little smaller ones, cool fronts, but it's our first serious one, so
Yeah, we just happened to take off the right time.
yeah.
It's worked out.
And all the guys did good out here last weekend, so
Yeah, a couple of 7s. I think an 8. A couple of smaller bucks. It was like 6 or 7 bucks killed last weekend.
all right, we'll be back at you in a minute. Let's get this going. Well,
We got it to the camp. That's a start. I don't remember that tree ever being there. Let's try again. Which other one? I got one in the back I'll grab. I got red right there. Got the red right there. Get that one in the back. I might see it.
well, while you doing that, go for a little walk. Oh, look, he finally put his boards down.
I got that Marshes.
Well, we're all set up. We're hunting the marsh today. A little different than what I'm used to. I'm in a lean-to ladder stand overlooking the marsh. Nice cold morning. Ducks are flying everywhere. They got a couple of packs of coyotes around us. They've been hooping and hollering all morning long. So far, I haven't seen much of anything except the ducks. It's about 6:30 right now. So, we'll see how it goes. really starting to pick up now. Slow morning for me. Randy's seen a few does, but right now it's bucks only in this zone. So I think we're gonna pack it up here in a little while and head back to camp and try again this afternoon. I'm not sure what we got planned for the day. We talked about maybe going to do some jug lining. So we'll see. We'll see what the day brings. Beautiful day. Nice and cool. It's just that wind is starting to pick up. So we'll see what happens. So what you seen?
See 4 does.
Oh, 4.
In the next area code. About 400 yards.
A lot of ducks.
A lot of ducks and
some speckle bellies.
yeah, so I seen and heard that flock. There was another flock on that side of me. I heard first. Way before you brought those to my attention.
Yep. Well, quiet morning here. Beautiful morning though.
Yeah, nice morning. Wind's actually perfect for you too. It's
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah, it's cross.
We're gonna do a little bit of scouting this after a while.
Alright. Alright, stick around. It's the afternoon hunt. I'm in Randy's box blind. Randy is sitting in his tripod on the other side of those trees right there. Warmed up a lot. It's not as cool as it was this morning. But we'll see. Stay tuned.
That's how you hunt the marsh.
What you got, my boy?
I got a 4-point, man. I got meat for the freezer. That's what I got.
Meat haul. Congratulations.
Thank you, bud. I don't have a heart though.
Is it a Boone and Crockett or what?
It's Pope and Young.
Pope and Young.
It's Pope and Young. It's got 2 back straps. It's got 2 back straps. I think it's missing a heart. I don't think it's got a heart.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I told you he was getting some meat, buddy.
Well, day 2, the morning hunt. Got out of here a little late. Wasn't bad though. I was still up and set up right before daylight. Randy got him a 4-point last night, yesterday afternoon. A lot of duck hunters out this morning. Big flocks of geese flying over. It's got a little bit of wind. It's not too bad. It feels a little bit warmer than yesterday morning. But we'll see. I think we might go do some fishing today and set some jug lines and stuff like that. Kingston should be meeting up with us. Randy's son should be meeting up with us this afternoon. So I got this hunt this afternoon and maybe tomorrow morning, and then I gotta head back in. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. You see? Trying to hunt. You got assholes like Randy that want to pass by and fuck it up. Wave, you Sasquatch. There you go. Well, that's it for the morning hunt, second day. A little better morning. Seen 4 does. Probably the same 4 that we've been seeing the last couple of days. Very hard to see out here. Looks are really deceiving. The grass, the height of the grass out here, it looks short, but it's not. They were right on the other side of all those little CDAs out there. 4 of them. And the only way you can really see them is if they pick their heads up. When they're walking and their heads are down, they're almost like little ghosts. You barely can even see them. So, good morning. At least I seen something today. But about to pack up and head back to the camp. Randy's over there fishing. Oh, there's some geese coming. I doubt the camera will pick it up. Yeah, they're high up there. But about to pack up, head back to the camp, meet up with Randy, figure out what we're doing today. I think we may go brush a duck blind, do some fishing, and get ready for this afternoon's hunt. Pick it up on camera, but we out here looking around, checking out a couple of extra stands, and right in front of us is 2 does, about 120 yards away. So far this weekend, that's 9 separate does we've seen in different areas on the lease. So I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up because they're pretty far out there. See Randy down here. It's all nasty. That's where the mud boat's parked at. This is a little slip. It's amazing how they can walk through that shit.
Like nothing.
Like it's nothing. It looks dry, that's wet. That's a big float. When you step on it, you can feel everything underneath you moving around.
just a pimpin'.
So what you were doing and what you seen this morning?
I was trying to catch the bait this morning through that little bayou that runs through. Go try to catch a few fish for supper. I got right here, and 3 does jumped up off this little corner, ran across the marsh into that thicket. A mama and 2 little ones. Never hunted this, never scouted this little island, because it's not real big. The thicket is not real big, but doesn't mean it doesn't hold deer, right?
Yes, sir. We're barely in, what?
A couple inches of water.
A couple inches of water.
Yeah, actually where we usually cut it is where the lilies are, kind of to your left, right behind you. We come through here and cut it. This is where we shoot neutrals.
And where does this run to?
That's the pipeline. The trees right there you see straight in front of us?
Yeah.
That's the pipeline. The bulkhead is semi probably to your right there. That's about where the bulkhead is, back there by those trees.
That's why I like to go back around.
Yeah, I just wanted to see right here if there was anything we could put this stand in.
Nothing.
Because that's a natural funnel at the end of this bayou. So yeah, let's go around, get the pipeline, and let's see what it looks like by the dam back there.
All right, sounds good. It happened too fast. I couldn't grab the camera quick enough. It's the second day afternoon hunt. I'm in Randy's tripod stand, and right there at 54 yards, the buck walked out. And he saw me. He wasn't going to stick around very long. So I had to drop the hammer on that fucker. Got one. We'll give it a little while before we get down, but it dropped right in its tracks. The old 45-70 doesn't give much, give much for them. Once you hit them with it, they know they've been hit. We're on the scoreboard, baby. Well, that's it for this this weekend's hunting trip. I got everything packed up, boat's ready to go. Randy and Kingston are still hunting. I gotta go. So if y'all watched it this far, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, like and subscribe, and see you next time. Later.